Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to change landscape to portrait in Google Docs. In a single docs, we can change landscape and portrait both the scenes. How to do? Let me show you. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I have my Google Docs over here. So all the portrait files will be there. So this is my documents. I just want to change the particular page into landscape. For example, I have around 4 to 5 pages will be there. So my second page, I just want to change into portrait to landscape. What I have to do here? So just go to select the document, which file you want, which page you want, select that page alone and just go to format menu and just go to page orientation. Once you click a page orientation, there will be a apply to the selected or a section forward section 1. So selected content and just make a landscape and just click OK. Means automatically that particular document will be changed into landscape as you see here. So the particular page is changed into landscape model and other things will be in a portrait. So if I want to change this page into portrait or landscape, I can change. For example, this is a landscape model. I just want to change this one into portraits, and the same thing, just click here to change as a portrait. So that portrait will be added over here, whatever selected content. Simple and easiest trick. For example, if you are suffering for any other purpose, you are creating different types of company profile, so we need a portrait and landscape model. So the Google Docs will help you out. So wherever you want to have a portrait, you can have the portrait. Wherever you want to have a landscape model, you can have a landscape model. This is a simple and easiest tip. And if you want to open all the page orientation into landscape model, means just select whole document and make it as a portrait. Just click OK. Means whole document will be changed into portrait model. Or if you want to change all document into landscape model, just click here to change a whole document into landscape. So simple and easiest tip and easy to understand to create your document with a portrait in a landscape in a single document. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my Hawks channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.